These are the top 3 things that you need to know about the Datsun Go. Number 1, it's become a whole lot safer. That's right, the previous generation Datsun Go had no ABS and no airbags. The new model does indeed come with ABS and airbags, and a little birdie has told us that by mid-2019 we could see the addition of stability control. Number 2, they have of course changed up the interior. So the bench seat is gone and you now get a very good looking infotainment system, touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And they've done away with that little phone dock thing. Number 3, they've changed the exterior styling. They've added a few vents and a few body lines, which overall makes the new Datsun Go a whole lot prettier. Well, there you have it, folks, the top 3 things you need to know about the Datsun Go.